Welcome to Centaur Academy and the video on what not to do when trading horses. I made this video to show some very common mistakes that are made by traders all the time. You see, I identify the bottom of the market here at around 3.35, and I'll explain why that is during the video. And originally you're just looking to scalp one tick, so you're waiting for that money to get matched at 3.35 and then you're wanting to place a back bet at 3.4. Some people get too impatient and think they'll jump the queue, and they'll think, oh, I'll just back it first and then it'll pop back down to 3.35 and I'll get matched. But you see, there's no money there below 3.35. That's how you identify the resistance point, and so it's unlikely to come down below that point because there's been not much money matched all day. There's the high resistance point. You see there's no money matched above that, and by backing first at the bottom of the resistance points, you put yourself in real danger that the price is only going to go one way, and that's against you, which has happened here. So the money was backed at 3.4. The bet did not get matched at 3.35, and so now, not wanting to have a further loss, you try to get out at 3.85, but it keeps going up. You're already looking at a £14 loss right now if you get out at that point, but there's more hesitation, so they wait and they don't do it. But because you see pressure coming downwards on the other two and the other three actually around it, the favourite, the third favourite and the fourth favourite, this horse is only going to go up. So you're looking for it to sort of level out, and then you think, well, right, it's at the top now, and it starts to come back down. So to try and recover, there's no money above it, so using the same theory, it shouldn't go up much higher. So I'm looking to now back it at 4. You see that leveling out there and come down, but once again, the hesitation's too much. They wait and look and don't do anything, and you miss that price as well. So it quickly shoots back up and grabs the back bet, and you can now get out at a £20 loss and hope that the price comes back down to 3.75 when you could get out in front. But it's still sitting there at the moment, not a lot happening, so you probably should at this point be taking the loss. So look to get out at 4.1 just to take the loss, but once again it shoots back up against you. And this is a common phenomenon I hear a lot, that no matter what I do, it goes against me. Well, you see there's 86% of money there, just pushing 90% of money driving this price up. And you look at all three weight of money indicators on the first three favourites are going up, 77%, 80% and 63%. Well, that's why weight of money can be such a false indicator, because clearly all three of these horses cannot be going up. There's a lot of money down below that that's looking at that percentage and forcing it up to be higher than it is. You can clearly see there's 3 seconds to go, in all sorts of trouble here. This race is about to go in play, which then becomes the cardinal sin. There's still 93% of money pushing this horse up, but you really should be getting out of this race at this point with a £50 loss. The worst thing you can do is let it go in play. So you try and, oh, it's too late, there it goes, it's in play now, and so you try and get out at 4.5. The price jumps straight up above you, even though there's only 13 quid there above you. You still don't get matched. It's now up to 5.4, 5.9, and you've got to take a horrendous price to get out. But get out you must. And if the horse jumps really badly in a sprint, it'll be up to 10, 15 or 20 before you even know it. So you see there we've taken a £96 loss, which just is a horrific position from where we were. We could have taken £7, £12, £20, £50, and to make it worse, this horse that's drifting is going to go on and win the race. So I quickly try and lay the favourite Foghorn Leghorn there at 3.50 for £50 to try and get some of this money back, because it's trading at 20. It's matched there at 3.55, as you can see. I only got £30 of it matched. The horse that I was trying to lay originally went on to win the race, and I end up with a very horrific £66 loss. There are quite a few things there that you should not do when trading horses.